I'm sick of hearing it. YouTube automation this and faceless YouTube channel that. But what do you actually get? 20 steps, 100 tools, and 0 real automation. Enough of that. Today, I'll show you a tool that handles 90% of the work for you. No clickbait, no BS. This is real YouTube automation. I'll show you how to create a full YouTube video with just a few clicks. No camera, no voice, no script. And the best part, these videos keep performing. Today, tomorrow, next year. They're 100% evergreen. From shorts to long form, this tool builds content that gets clicks. And honestly, it's so easy. You'll wonder why no one showed you this before. Thinking about starting a faceless YouTube channel? There's never been a better time because it's never been this easy. And here's the kicker. It's completely free. No subscription, no limits, just results. And if you're still not convinced, check this out. Here's a channel in the evergreen niche with 3.31 million subscribers and pulling in $10,000 per month. And here's another channel with 2.72 million subscribers that earns $14,000 a month. That's crazy. You can recreate videos like this in under 10 minutes. Let me show you a quick example video I made using this exact tool.
Did you know that only female lions can roar? Well, there are more amazing facts that you probably didn't know. Lions are the only cats that live in groups. A group of male lions is called a pride. However, females are the ones that roar. Male lions purr and growl.
Pretty wild, right? No complex editing, just a few quick actions and the video builds itself. Look at the results. Clean visuals, smooth pacing, synced music, and captions. Feels like something that took hours to produce. This is what real AI-powered automation looks like. So, what's the tool behind all this? It's CapCut, and more specifically, their new AI Video Maker. Just launched recently, and yeah, it changes the game. If you haven't already, hit the link in the video description to download the desktop version of CapCut. It's completely free and gives you access to the new AI Video Maker tool I'm about to show you. Before we jump into the step-by-step tutorial, let me quickly explain what CapCut actually is, especially if you're new to it. CapCut is a powerful, all-in-one video editor developed by the creators of TikTok. It's known for being super intuitive, beginner-friendly, and packed with features you'd expect from high-end tools. And now they've gone a step further, introducing their brand new feature, the AI Video Maker. This tool can generate everything: scripts, images, AI avatars, clips, subtitles, and music, all powered by artificial intelligence. You just drop in a simple idea, and within minutes, you'll get a polished, ready-to-publish video. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned creator, this AI tool is like having a full production team at your fingertips. So let me show you exactly how it works, and how you can start using it today. Once you've installed CapCut and logged in, this is the screen you'll see. Now here's what you do. Click on AI Video Maker. That takes you straight to this interface. This is the main dashboard. You'll see a message. Welcome to the free all-in-one AI Video Maker. Right here we've got New Project. This is where you start building your video. Below that, you'll see 4 quick start options. First, Instant AI Video, and that's the one we're going to use. Then there's Brainstorm with AI, a really cool tool that helps you generate ideas, gather info, and build compelling scripts in seconds. Next is Avatar Video, and finally, match media to script in one click. Now, all of these are also available inside the New Project section, so you don't need to click them separately. But it's nice to have them laid out like this in case you want to jump straight into one of them. And down here, you'll see Simplify Creation with AI Templates. I'll show you that later on. These templates are perfect for creating Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts fast. But for now, let me walk you through exactly how I created that Wildcat video, so you can follow the same process. We'll start by clicking New Project, and that takes us right here. First step, we're creating the script. The interface here looks pretty minimal, but that's intentional. Simplicity is what makes it powerful. You can either paste in a script you've already written, or create a brand new one from scratch. That means you don't need ChatGPT or any external AI. Everything can be done right inside CapCut, which is pretty awesome. So let me show you how to generate a script using CapCut's built-in AI script generator. Click on Create One with AI, and a panel will open on the left side. Under Create Script, you'll see a few fields: topic, key points, duration, mimic writing style, and more requirements. Let's go through them step by step. I want to create a video about predatory cat facts. So under topic, I type in predatory cat facts. In the key points box, we describe what the video should cover. The more info you give here, the better and more detailed your script will be. But you can also just enter a short description with a few keywords, and the AI will still come up with a solid script. You can even add links, for example, to research articles, and the AI will extract the key info and turn it into a video script. For this example, I'm entering the following prompt. Create an engaging video based on 5 interesting predatory cat facts. Include lion, tiger, jaguar, puma, and leopard. As you can see, I didn't give much detail, just 5 keywords, and that's enough. The AI takes that and comes up with interesting facts for each one. Of course, if you already have specific facts you want included, this is the place to add them. Next is the duration box. 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. This feature is awesome. CapCut's AI will literally write a full 10-minute script based on your key points. That's a huge advantage over ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT for a 10-minute script, and the timing is never accurate. It's always too short or too long. But CapCut gets it right, because the AI is designed with time pacing in mind. For this demo, I'm choosing 3 minutes. That's enough to show you the process. Below that, we've got mimic writing style, and this one is wild. If you already have a YouTube channel and a unique writing voice, you can paste in an old script, and CapCut will match your style in the new script. I love this feature. It really sets CapCut apart from the competition. And finally, there's the more requirements box. I usually add this line. Make sure the first 10 seconds, which is the hook, are as engaging and intriguing as possible. Because as you know, the first few seconds of a video decide everything. If you hook the viewer early, you win. So once you're happy with your inputs, and as you can see, we didn't add that much, just hit the create button. Let's see what CapCut generates. And boom! Less than 30 seconds later, we've got a full script ready to go. Let's take a quick look at the script. Here's the intro. The ocean is full of scary predators, but the scariest predator is the one that hunts us. That's right, we're talking about cats. Honestly, not bad. Sure, it could be better. But considering the simple prompt we gave it, this is a solid result. Then right after that, we jump into fact number 5. I really like that. Starting with the last number builds tension. It keeps the viewer engaged because they naturally want to know what number 1 is, and that comes at the end. Little psychology trick, works every time. One thing I noticed though, only number 5 is written with the word number. The rest just use shortcuts. I'd either remove the word completely or be consistent and write it out for all of them. Take a moment to read through the script, and if you're happy with it, just hit use, and boom, your full script is ready to go. Next, click on Scenes. You'll find it on the left-hand side, under Script. So technically, we could use an AI avatar to narrate the whole script. There are over 100 avatars to choose from, everything from a shake to an old man. But for this type of video, I don't think that fits. So I'm going to click Voice up in the top left corner instead. This is where I pick the voiceover for the video. And just like with avatars, there are over 100 voices available here, completely free. Now's the time to choose a voice. Take your time and listen through a few samples. Let me play the first one.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Yeah, that one's a classic. Feels like every AI video on social media uses this voice. I'm looking for something calmer. Maybe an older male voice like the kind you hear in documentaries. British or American accent doesn't really matter to me. Let's try this next one.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Not bad, but still not quite the vibe I'm after. How about this one?
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Yes, that's the one. That's exactly the kind of voice I had in mind. So click on that voice and then hit apply to all scenes at the bottom. Now watch what happens. CapCut automatically starts splitting the voiceover into smaller chunks. You'll see it say splitting script. There's a reason for this. Large text blocks are hard for AI tools to narrate well, especially if you want it to sound dynamic and engaging. So CapCut breaks it down into sentence-sized pieces. This is such a cool feature. Normally, this would take a ton of time. Even if you're using something like 11 Labs, you'd have to copy-paste each line manually. But here, it's all automatic. About 30 seconds later, CapCut has brought the entire script to life with voice. Let's take a listen.
The ocean is full of scary predators, but the scariest predator is the one that hunts us. That's right, we're talking about cats. Just kidding. But if cats could swim, they would be the apex predators of the oceans. Today we will be going over 5 interesting facts about predatory cats. Let's get it.
I'm really happy with how this sounds. The voiceover is spot on. Now that our video has a fitting voice, we're ready to move on. Click on Media. It's right next to voiceover at the top. Alright, here we've got 3 options to choose from. Generate AI media, match your media, and match stock media. Generate AI media lets CapCut's own AI create brand new images that match each line of your script. Then there's Match Your Media. This one scans the videos you upload and pulls matching clips from your own files based on your script. Pretty cool if you're working with custom content. And finally, Match Stock Media. Now this is where CapCut shines. They've got a massive library of high-quality stock footage. CapCut scans your script for keywords and automatically matches relevant clips from their collection. Now imagine doing this manually. Matching every line of a script to footage takes forever. This AI feature automates that entire process. It's honestly kind of insane how much time this saves. That's the option I'll be using for this video, because I personally prefer realistic footage over static AI images. So I click on Match Stock Media. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes, and once it's done, boom! Your whole script is paired with matching clips. Let's hit play and check it out.
The ocean is full of scary predators, but the scariest predator is the one that hunts us. That's right, we're talking about cats. Just kidding. But if cats could swim,
I'm seriously impressed with how good this came out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And if there's something you don't like, you can change almost anything. You can rewrite specific lines, change voiceovers scene by scene, and even replace individual clips. For example, let's say I want to swap a scene. I just click on Replace, then choose Stock Media. Now I can search for something else. I'll type in lion, and there it is. I can now pick a different clip and replace the original. Super simple. Or let's say you actually prefer AI-generated images. Click on AI Media, and now we can create our own custom images with prompts. That opens a new window where you describe what you want. This is basically your prompt input. There's a pre-written prompt like close-up footage of a pride of lions resting together in the grasslands during golden hour. This is quite brilliant. The AI knows directly what kind of animation or image we need to match with the script. Then you choose the style. In my case, I want realistic film for that cinematic look. Set your aspect ratio. I'm using 16:9 and click Generate. CapCut gives you 4 different image variations to choose from. Pick one you like and hit Add to Scene. Let's play the new version with the custom image.
today we will be going over 5 interesting facts about predatory cats. Let's get into it. Number 5. Lions. The lion is the only cat that lives in groups. They are the only cat that does this. In their groups, they hunt together to take down big prey like zebras.
And just like that, you can replace any animation using any of the 3 options. If you're happy with how it looks, let's move on. Click Elements on the left-hand side. Now we're in the Captions section. By default, it's set to a standard style, and honestly, that looks kind of boring. But no worries, we can change that right here. Personally, I like this style. It highlights each word as it's spoken. That helps viewers follow along more easily because our eyes naturally track the highlight, and that means people end up reading along without even realizing it. Let's play it with captions on.
The ocean is full of scary predators, but the scariest predator is the one that hunts us. That's right, we're talking about cats. Just kidding. But if cats could swim, they would be the apex predators of the oceans.
See? It already looks way better and way easier to read. You understand the content more clearly just because of the visual guidance. Take a minute to scroll through the caption templates. There are tons of options here. Pick one that fits your video style. Now look up at the top left next to the Apply button. You'll see a 3-line icon. Click that and a little panel will open with more elements like keywords, sound effects, stickers, and visual effects. Below that, you'll see a setting called Intensity with 3 levels. High, medium, and low. With just one click, you can load your video with the selected effects and extras. Once you've made your selections, hit Apply, and CapCut will automatically enhance your video with those elements. That's a really cool feature, because normally, adding this kind of stuff manually would take forever. But for this video, I'm keeping it clean, so I'll skip this part. Let's move on. Click Music on the left-hand side, and once again, everything here is 100% free. You've got hundreds of music tracks to choose from, all pulled straight from TikTok and CapCut's sound library. Now I'm going to search for nature. I think a chill background track will fit this kind of video really well. Take your time here too. Preview a few options and find the vibe that matches your content. I'm going with this one. Okay guys, let's play the video with the music.
The ocean is full of scary predators, but the scariest predator is the one that hunts us. That's right, we're talking about cats. Just kidding. But if cats could swim, they would be the apex predators of the oceans. Today we will be going over 5 interesting facts about predatory cats. Let's get into it. Number 5.
Yes, I'm happy with that. Feels smooth and fits perfectly. And the best part? You don't need to adjust anything manually. CapCut automatically levels the background music volume for you. Once you're happy with the final result, just click the blue export button in the top right corner to export your video. Then all that's left is uploading it to YouTube. And don't forget to create a strong thumbnail and write a SEO optimized video description. That's what gets your video found. Honestly, this tool is next level. We just created a full video from scratch in about 10 minutes. No juggling 20 different AI tools tools. No complicated prompting. Just one simple idea turned into a fully produced video. And I think it came out pretty great. Quick recap what CapCut's AI Video Maker did. Almost automatically. Script, voiceover, visuals, captions, and music. All for free. All nearly fully automated. Did I overpromise? I don't think so. Honestly, 90% of the work was done by AI, and the other 10% didn't even feel like work. Now here's an idea. If you want to see how I use this tool to literally copy a successful YouTube channel in an evergreen niche, drop a comment saying, YouTube automation. If we get more than 100 comments, I'll make that video next. I read every comment. So if you've got thoughts, feedback, or just want to say hi, drop it down below. And if this video helped you, hit that like button, comment like crazy, and subscribe for more AI-powered YouTube tutorials. Share this with your friends, and don't miss your chance to start your own faceless YouTube channel today. This is one of the best opportunities right now to break through on YouTube. And with that, peace out. See you in the next one.